We were solving the 3 plus 3 plus 4 equals 11 riddle, but 3 plus 3 plus 4 equals 10 does not equal 11. So some people might be wondering, how is this riddle going to work? Okay, so I have an answer for that one. So the 3 plus 3 plus 4 riddle it's a riddle called a cryptarithm. And if you don't know what a cryptarithm is when each letter in something is replaced by a digit to make an equation true. So if let's say diamond plus square plus diamond equals something, let's say square square, the diamonds will be the same, squares will be the same, and the other things will just be the same. You get what I mean. So okay, moving on. So for the rule of this thing, okay, so the rule of these riddles are very, very simple. Same, if you have the same letters, you have the same digits. If you have different letters, you have different digits. Okay, so we solved it by first we have this 3 plus, we just write down 3, 4 plus, and like a 3, 2 digits, and then you just add them all up like that, and we write them in letter form because we're going to eventually replace all the letters with digits. Okay, so first, E was the most often because it occurred 7 times, so we want to start with E. So we didn't want to regroup because that might mess up. We saw it, so let's choose 1. So we did. And then for R, we couldn't really think of any logic, so we just chose a random number. We used 4. So that means N has no choice because 1 plus 1 is 4 must equal 6. So that's a 6. And then after that, the E, we have 2 other E's. So 1 plus 1 in the tens column already, and we choose U to be 9. So that's because we got regrouped. And we regrouped again, and then we chose R to be 4 because we already chose R before, so it has to repeat again. 1 plus 4 equals obviously 9, and O equals 3. So 9 plus 3 is 12, and V must equal 2 because we got regrouped. Okay, so carrying on. So next we have the H, and F. So the 1 is up in the regrouping. H we just chose 5 because we wanted to have a 10 so we can regroup because the bottom is E and 1 we know it's the right one. So we have to regroup because already we have the regrouping of 1. So because F must be something different besides 0. They're not all the three zeros. So yeah, that's what happened. So we chose 5 and F equals 0. So 550 and plus 1. So the 1 carried over, then we go to the T's. T's we chose to be 8 because we still have 100,000 place and we're only in the 10,000th place. So we need to regroup, and turns out that the only digit we have left was 8, 8s, and 7. So we used 8s for there because we already used 4, and 7 plus 7 equals 4. We can't do that. So we must use 8s. So then we have 8 and 8. So that's the T. Then the L, must be the 7 because we grouped. So then that carries over, and we have 1 in the E. So altogether we have 85,411 plus 85,411 plus 0393 equals 171,216. So the weird thing about this is in the 0393, this is usually not said, but a riddle can be really wacky sometimes. Oh, and also this riddle has 4 different things in it, so 4 different strategies and 4 different solutions. So we only found 1 solution out of it, and that is pretty much how I solve it, and what was the riddle, and what was my solution.